வெல்கம் டு ஜூபிட்டர் அகாடமி. நம்ம என்ன டாபிக் பார்க்க போறோம்னா 11th and 12th 2-in-1 கான்செப்ட். அதாவது 11th and 12th வந்து ரெண்டு டாபிக், ரெண்டு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லெசனை வந்து நம்ம என்ன போறோம் கம்பேர் பண்ணி ரிலேட் பண்ணி நம்ம படிக்க போறோம். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன எடுத்தோம்னா 11th கிராவிடேஷனல் அண்ட் 12th எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக்ஸ். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் force, gravitational force. Gravitational force is nothing but gravitational force or attractive force. Attractive force between two massive bodies is directly proportional to the masses and inversely proportional to the distance square of the distance between them. And the electrostatics also same. Electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of the two different charges and square of the distance between them. I neglect the potential. Now included the constant. This constant is called universal gravitational constant. So this value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram inverse 2. The same, the K is Coulomb constant. So K is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. These values are 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb inverse 2. Okay, this is the permittivity of free space. These values are epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Newton inverse 1 meter inverse 2 Coulomb square. Okay, next the gravitational force are conservative force, conservative, long range force and weakest force. At the same time, electrostatic force are conservative, long range and very strongest force. Next, some important formula. First one, in gravitation, gravitational field or gravitational field strength or gravitational field intensity. The symbol is represent the I vector or Eg. Gravitational field E vector is equal to force divided by mass. So actual formula F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. In divided by mass na I is equal to G m divided by r square into m cancel na. In balance I is equal to G m by r square. Next, gravitational potential. Gravitational potential is nothing but work done by mass. So is and another more, gravitational potential always negative symbol because its gravitational field intensity is direction for decreasing gravitational potential. So gravitational potential always negative symbol. So what is a work done formula? Work done is nothing but force into displacement. Now displacement is represent for the distance dr. So f dr divided by m, we already know gravitational field intensity F divided by m, force by mass. So I into dr, integration of dr. So integration of dr is nothing but r. So I is equal to gm by r square into distance r. So square, denominator r square and this r is cancelled. In balance, gravitational potential is equal to V is equal to minus gm by r. Next is same electrostatic field. Electrostatic field is nothing but electric field is equal to force divided by test charge or unit positive charge Q. We already know E is equal to force value K into Q1, both charges are. So Q divided by R square whole divided by Q. So 1 Q is cancelled now. Balance K into Q divided by R square. K is equal to 1 divided by 4 by epsilon naught. Next, electrostatic potential. Electrostatic potential same. V is equal to work done by charge. Work done is equal to force into distance. So F by Q is equal to electrostatic field. So E is E into integration of dr. Integration of dr or E is equal to K into KQ divided by R square into R. So square, these R cancel, balance K into Q by R. The sign is always not positive or negative. It's a change, depend negative na negative potential, sorry, positive potential na repulsion between charge and electric field. Positive negative potential na attraction between charge and electric field. Next, some cases, uniform circular ring. So we consider the one ring and the center of the ring to point P. In between the distance, separation distance is R. So electric gravitation field direction and radius of the ring is A. So now radius A and the distance R. This is the values for opposition or hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So opposite A square plus distance R square. So both sides square root now. Hypotenuse is equal to root over R square plus A square. So this formula gravitational field is equal to GMR divided by A square plus X R square whole power 3 by 2. This condition for R is much greater than A. Center of the ring now, the point P in between separation distance R. So reduce the values. So R is equal to 0. Center of the ring now, R is equal to 0. That time gravitational field value I is equal to 0. When the gravitational field value is maximum now, the R is equal to A divided by root 2. R is equal to A divided by root now, that time the gravitational field values reach the maximum. So I max is equal to 2gm divided by 3 root 3 A square. This is the formula for maximum gravitational field. Next, at the same time, electric field, uniform ring, same separation distance is X, radius of the ring R. Next, hypotenuse value root over X square plus A square. So E is equal to electrostatic field is equal to E is equal to KQX divided by A square plus X square whole power 3 by 2. The condition X is much greater than A. Center of the ring, same, the distance X is equal to 0. At the same time, electric field is equal to 0. When the maximum electric field, X is equal to A divided by root 2. So E max is equal to K into 2Q divided by 3 root 3 A square. Next concept, spherical shell. Spherical shell, two internal divided the topic. One is gravitational field, another one is gravitational potential. So consider the one spherical shell, radius of R. So external point is nothing but 0, origin 0 or origin hole and the point, external point P. The distance R. So comparatively radius and the distance R is greater than capital R. So that time external point, gravitational field is equal to GM divided by R square and gravitational potential is equal to minus GM by R. Next, on the surface. So now the point P is considered on the surface. So the distance between the point and the radius small r is equal to capital R. That time the gravitational field is equal to I is equal to GM divided by capital R square and V is equal to minus GM by R square. Next, internal point. Internal point is nothing but center of the ring. Center of the ring R. So internal point small r is greater than capital R. So gravitational field is equal to 0 and potential is equal to minus Gm by R square. Next, spherical shell, same electrostatic field. The spherical shell is considered charged spherical shell. So next, external point, the same concept, origin to R distance, external point P, external point small r is greater than capital R. So E is equal to K into Q by R square and potential is equal to K divided by K into Q by R. On the surface, small r is equal to capital R, E is equal to electric field is equal to K into Q by R square capital R square and potential is equal to K into Q by capital R. Internal point, same. Small r is less than capital R, A is equal to 0, and V is equal to K into Q by R. Thank you so much.